What's one piece of advice you give to anyone starting their product design journey?
I'll go for the advice. I think the most important thing is to be honest with yourself. There is no, well, as someone, even though I can say that I'm very confident, I am always ready to back that confidence with my skills. If I know that I don't know something, I will not. I cannot put myself on a pedestal that. I mean, while it's nice for you to get out of your comfort zone, but I'm talking of like, if you feel like you don't know this thing, don't deceive yourself. Go and learn it. You get what I'm trying to say. So
Yeah, I get what you
my
mean.
advice would be for you to be very honest with yourself. There's a lot of like pandering on social media. There's a lot of trying to be like social media designer, when in actual fact, like when it comes to actually doing the work, you probably can't, or like you probably. So I feel like people, designers, new designers should focus on actually having that skills. Like let your skills should be at the point where you, when you are weak, like they tap you like this and say, "Oh yeah, oh." You know what you are doing.
Already.
So I feel like no one should skip that part of actually getting like the skills, like learning. Be ensure that you're always like curious, always like ready to learn, always like look for ways that you can improve, and be very honest with yourself. Because after you leave that outside where everybody's saying, "Ah yes," stand in front of the mirror and be like, "You are you
Is it
sure?"
true?
So so yeah, there's that. Because when I was learning, I would not skip any part of my course, because if I don't get it, like this is very important. So if you are if it's part of my outline and I feel like I don't understand it, as opposed to skipping it, I will stay stuck. Which I'm not saying is good for everybody to be stuck, but I know that this is important for me to know. If I skip it, then I don't know it. And what if I need it? So yeah, like no one should cheat the part of learning, at least the basics that you can now develop on. It's every day you learn. Like nobody knows it all. So I feel like no one, if you're starting fresh, should miss out or like cheat on the part where you actually know what you're doing and you know the basics of it, because that's what's going to be like your building block to being a better designer overall. Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. That's so good.